Today we are talking about Hunter PGP Rotating sprinkle, and if you'd like to know how to change the nozzle on this sprinkler head, you're at the right place. So let's do it right away. I'm gonna take this off so it's not in our way, and you can usually see this part here in the ground, and this whole head will be inside. So this here is on top. When you look at your grass, this is what you see. And if you want to change the nozzle here, you have to mess with this part here. Usually these sprinkler heads will come with a tool like this, or you can get it on Amazon, or you can get a different looking one that looks like a screwdriver, but it has this little tip here. And then I'll have all these links inside the description of the video. But basically you have to have a tool like this or something similar, and then you will look on top of the sprinkler head right here, and then you will notice that there is this hole, and it will only fit this shape. So once you align it here and push it in, then you have to just turn it here like this, and then you can just pull up the whole thing. And this is what you usually see when the sprinkler is on. The water will push this part out, and this is your nozzle. So you take this out, and then you take your tool here, and then you just start unscrewing. You can use a clamp or another tool that I will have in the description to hold this part up, so you don't have to hold it with your hand. But in my case, I'll just hold it like this, even though it's really not convenient. So what we have to do is start unscrewing and take this screw all the way up. Now usually you would use the screw to adjust the spray distance, and I have another video that shows you how to adjust these heads. They adjust the coverage and the spray distance, but that's a totally different topic. So right now we want to concentrate on this. So you can just pull this out using a screwdriver, and it's out like that. Okay, here we have our nozzle. I found it after 2 minutes looking at my floor. Once you get a new nozzle here, you want to push it back in, align it, and then use the same screw and go down. And that screw actually holds it from getting out. And like I said before, you also use it to adjust the spraying distance. So it's easy like that. Thanks for watching, and come back for more videos.